This is Shahin. Welcome to Learn Something More YouTube channel. Today we will discuss intermediate first year chapter number 3 matrices. Exercise 3H Gauss-Jordan method 8th problem. Okay. First you write given equations. Given equations. X plus y plus z equal to 9. 2x plus 5y plus 7z equal to 52. 2x plus y minus z equal to 0. Okay. Now you can write the matrix equation is Ax equal to D. Here A equal to write x coefficients, y coefficients and z coefficients. X equal to x, y, z. D equal to constants 9, 52, 0. Okay. Now you can write the augmented matrix. AD equal to 1, 1, 1, 2, 5, 7, 2, 1 minus 1, 9, 52, 0. Okay. Now you convert these two into zeros. Okay. In R2 operations nana R2 minus R3 na R2 minus R3. In R3 1 time of R3 minus 2 times of R1. Okay. Now see, R1 we didn't disturb, right, as it is. R2 minus R3. R2 minus R3. R2 minus R3. Minus into minus plus 1. R2 minus R3. Next in R3, 1 time of R3 minus 2 times of R1. 1 time of R3 minus 2 times of R1. 1 time of R3 minus 2 times of R1. 1 time of R3 minus 2 times of R1. Okay. Now simplify it. 1, 1, 1, 9. 0, 4, 8, 52. 0 minus 1 minus 3 minus 18. Okay. See beta, in R2 divide with 4. R2 by 4. In R3 by minus 1 for easy process. Now 1, 1, 1, 9. 0 by 4, 0. 4 by 4, 1. 8 by 4, 2. 52. That means 13. Okay. 0, 1, 3, 18. Okay. Now see beta, these two convert in zeros. Okay. The operations are in R1 minus R3. In R3 minus R2. Okay. R1 minus R3. R1 minus R3. R1 minus R3. R1 minus R3. We didn't disturb R2, right, as it is. In R3 minus R2. R3 minus R2. R3 minus R2. R3 minus R2. Okay. Now simplify it. 1, 0 minus 2 minus 9. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 13. 0, 0, 1, 5. Okay ma. Now these two convert in zeros. Operations. In R1, 1 time of R1 plus 2 times of R3. Okay. In R2, 1 time of R2 minus 2 times of R3. Operations. 1 time of R1 plus 2 times of R3. 1 time of R1 plus 2 times of R3. 1 time of R1 plus 2 times of R3. 1 time of R1 plus 2 times of R3. 5 2s are 10. 1 time of R2 minus 2 times of R3. 1 time of R2 minus 2 times of R3. 1 time of R2 minus 2 times of R3. 1 time of R2 minus 2 times of R3. Okay. 0 0 1 5. Now simplify this one. 0 1 0 1 0 3 0 0 1 5. See beta, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 3 5 is the required answer. Therefore x equal to 1, y equal to 3 and z equal to 5. Once you check x plus y plus z equal to 9. X plus y plus z equal to 9. 9 equal to 9. So LHS equal to RHS. Our answer is correct. Okay. Next class we will discuss next problems. So exercise 3H is complete beta. Gauss Jordan method is complete. Okay. If you have any doubts you may ask. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. Take care to all of you.